Let's now start. My voice is audible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it's audible. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, where is the... So, Hari Om and a pleasant good morning to everyone. And actually, this is not a good morning, it's good afternoon now. So, now, today, as you know, is a day for annual prize distribution. It is not the current session prize distribution because the results are not out yet. It is going to be published, and later on, the prizes will be given. So it is the annual prize distribution of 2019 to 20 session. So I have already given the names of the prize winners in class WhatsApp group. So I thank everyone who has joined in this session for prize distribution. So you are already aware that this corona pandemic is not yet over. Still, we are facing the trouble due to coronavirus, and this corona pandemic has given us the opportunity to come with the global experimentation with the remote teaching. Yeah, this is a remote teaching method we have adopted. Like you are at your home, we are in the schools, and then we are delivering the content, you are having the learning. So we have developed various of the ways in which we can enhance the teaching learning process in due course. So earlier, the world was not that much inclined towards the digital way of life, but now it is the only choice left given this situation. So now, without wasting much time, let me start the prize distribution. So first, I will follow the sequence alphabetically. I will follow the alphabetical sequence. So first of all, Aditya Kumar Singh.
Yes,
Aditya
sir.
Kumar, Aditya Kumar Singh has got a merit certificate, excellence position in a merit certificate in science, general science, and excellence certificate in SST, and a merit certificate in Hindi. I congratulate you, Aditya. Let me show you the glimpse of certificate that you will be getting. So the screen is visible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this is
sir.
this is a certificate of excellence you will be getting for your excellent performance in SST. Then for the merit performance in general science and Hindi, you will be getting two separate certificates which will be given to you after the program is over, because you can see still the sign of principal sir is to be put here. So we will have to wait for it. It will be forwarded to you later. Okay. So this is a glimpse of merit certificates. So again, congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
And we cannot clap together given this situation. If anybody would like to clap for Aditya's performance, they can unmute and clap, because we have restrictions in this digital way. Yeah, this is another option available. Yeah. No,
Yes,
this
sir,
sign.
we are using.
Yeah, this is one thing we can use. The no, Microsoft team has given us this opportunity. Yeah,
For
yeah.
the certificate.
Yes. So now I will be moving alphabetically, and the next name is of Gyanshi. Gyanshi, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Turn on the video.
Yes.
Because so I cannot turn on the video. I am sharing the screen. So when I'm clicking the camera icon, it is not working. I have informed you that be in the school uniform.
Sir, but now it's not of my size.
Okay. So Gyansi has got 2 certificates and both are of excellence. The excellence certificate in maths and excellence certificate in Sanskrit. So congratulations Gyansi for your performance. Let me show you a glimpse of the certificates you will be getting after the signature of principals are on it. So this is going to be the excellence certificate in maths, and this is going to be the excellence certificate in Sanskrit. You'll be getting it after the signature of principals. All of you clap digitally for Yansi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, my friends.
Okay. Now it's turn for the next prize winner. Turn off your video, Yanshi. Next is Ishan Kumar Ranjan. Ishan, are you there in the meeting? Hello, Ishan. Turn on the video. Okay. So Ishan has got 4 certificates in total. For English, he has got a merit certificate. For mathematics, he has got 1 merit certificate. In general science, he has got merit position, and in social science also, he has got merit position. So this is going to be the glimpse of certificates that you will be getting, Ishan. This is the English one, the certificate of merit for English. Then this is going to be certificate of merit for general science. Then this is going to be a certificate of merit for mathematics. And this is going to be certificate of merit for social sciences. Okay? All of you, congratulations, Ishan. All of you clap for Ishan digitally. This is one way we can use because of the restrictions we have. Thank you, Ishan. So now the next prize winner, Sant Singh.
Adiyam sir, I am here.
Okay. Ishan, turn on the video.
Yes sir, I have done now.
Okay. So Ishant has also got 2 positions, both in merit. So Ishant has got merit position in IT. This is going to be the certificate that you will be receiving after the signature of principal, sir. You can see the signature is still missing. So the signature will be put there and it will be sent to you. So this is the Sanskrit certificate, the certificate of merit for Sanskrit for 2019-20 session. Congratulations, Ishant. All of you clap for Ishant for his excellent performance during 2019-20 session in his class 6. Now, the next prize winner, Karunya. Karunya, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Karunya, you have got also 2 merit positions. You have got merit position in English for your performance, and for IT also you have got the merit certificate. So this is the certificate of merit for English, and this is the certificate of merit for IT. You will be receiving these certificates after the signature of principal, sir. Congratulations again, Karunya. All of you clap digitally for Karunya's performance. Now, it's time for the next prize winner, Pratik Kumar. Are you there in the meeting, Pratik?
Yes, sir. Hari Om.
Hari Om. So Pratik has got excellence certificates. And you have got in some different subjects, you have got the excellent position. So starting from English, in English you have scored very like the highest marks in the class. So you have got the excellence certificate in English. Then taking in consideration of all other uh, parameters, also you have scored well in general science. You have got excellent certificate for general science also. For Hindi also you have got excellent certificate. For IT also you have got excellent certificate. And not and this is going to continue. For mathematics also you have got excellent certificate. For SST also you have got excellent certificate. This is going to be certificate of SST. And for Hindi also you have got excellence certificate. So these are the certificates. You will be receiving this in digital format, e-certificate format after the signature of principal sir. Congratulations, Pratik, for your extraordinary performance and keep it up. Okay. All of you clap digitally for Pratik's extraordinary performance, overwhelming performance. And we expect you to do like this, better than this in future too. Okay. So now it's time for the next prize winner. Alphabetically, it is time for Sanvi Lupta. Sanvi, are you there in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Sanvi has got 4 different positions. In English, she has got the certificate of merit. In general science also, she has got certificate of merit. In social sciences, she has also got certificate of merit. In IT, she has got certificate of merit. Sanvi, are you there in the meeting? Are you? Congratulations for your brilliant performance. Keep it up. All of you clap digitally for Sanvi's performance. Are you people clapping?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's time for the next prize winner, Shreya Gautam. Shreya Gautam has got merit certificate in Hindi. And Shreya Gautam is there in the meeting? Hariom, Shreya. She has not joined, no?
Yes, sir. She has.
Shreya is absent. Okay. Okay, she will be getting the certificate in digital format later. I will be sending her. So Shreya has got one merit certificate in the performance of Hindi in class 6. Now it's time for the next prize winner. Alphabetically, it's time for Soumya Singhania. Soumya is there in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Congratulations, Soumya. You have got excellence position in Hindi. In Hindi, you have got a certificate of excellence and you have got one merit certificate also in Sanskrit. So in Sanskrit, you have got the certificate of merit. This is a look of certificate you will be receiving after the signature of principal sir. Okay. So keep it up, Soumya. You can do better. Okay. So all of you clap digitally for Soumya. Okay. And now, the last prize winner, last but not the least, she is also a kind multi-bagger. Like she is having lots of certificates in her digital bag. So we see that, the name is Tanya Raj. Tanya is present.
Yes, sir.
Tanya, congratulations. You have scored very one of the highest marks in the subjects, and in 7 different subjects you have got excellent positions. So you have received 3 excellence certificates for having a brilliant performance in the subjects, starting from English. So in English, you have got the certificate of excellence. In uh, Hindi, sorry, first let's continue with excellence certificates. So in general science, you have got excellence certificates. In IT, you have got certificate of excellence. Also, in uh, Hindi, you have got a good position and you have got certificate of merit. In mathematics, you have got the certificate of merit. In Sanskrit, you have got a certificate of merit. And lastly, in social science, you have got certificate of merit. Congratulations, Tanya, for your extraordinary performance. And I hope you will perform better in future also. You will keep up the hard work. You will be sincere in your upcoming classes and studies too, and you will do better and better in future. This is my hope and expectations from you. So now I have announced the name of all the prize winners. Now I will like to wind up this session with some closing comments. So this 2019-20 session, I think this was brilliant, isn't it? There was no such issue like you faced any issue while learning anything, etc. So the class 6, I think it was one of the years in which you have gained a lot. You enjoyed a lot. Was it there for everyone? Class
Yes,
6
sir.
Yes, sir.
session. And I think
Yes, sir.
when you try to recall the glimpse of school, you are recalling the visualization of class 6 time, no? When you were there in the school during class 6,
Yes, sir.
whatever subjects you studied, how you spent the time in school. Whenever you're recalling about our school, you are getting the glimpse of it. It is one of the good memories with you. Now in this session, 2020-21, this year has been hit by pandemic. Even after the results, the school was closed. Many students haven't collected their results too in hard copy. How many of you are there who has not collected? So it's better that you are not among those, but many students have not collected the results and even the group pictures, So this year was very difficult, and still the pandemic is going on, but the learning never stopped. You have explored more and more opportunities. In this year, you have learned the coding skills. You have explored the other potentials you were having. Like somebody was good in painting, somebody is good in music, dance, etc. So you have tried to develop those skills you were not getting time to develop in earlier sessions. So this corona pandemic hit session 2020-21. This was difficult, this was hard, and the online class mode was also not that much comfortable for all of us, isn't it? For me also it is difficult. But we have tried to cope with this. We have tried to give our 100%. From your side also, we have seen the same response. You have tried to tackle the challenges. You have tried to solve the problems on your own level and with the help of your friends, teachers, with the collaboration of everyone. So Overall, we can say that this 2020-21 session was difficult, but not a waste of time, because I think you have learned lot many things in this year. Is it true for everyone? Have you learned something very great this year, 2020-21, or it was just a boring
Yes.
session? Nothing at all you have learned.
Sir, it was
I
a very
feel
great
this was.
session.
Something which was
Well, we
unexpected.
learned many things.
Hmm.
Sir, learned
Yeah.
something which was very unexpected if there would be offline session.
Yes, because in offline sessions, we people were too busy. You were not getting time to explore those things, those aspects of your life that you were supposed to do. So you got the time, enough time available in this pandemic hit session. So still we have this guideline. I have sent a notice to in the class WhatsApp group that from 1st April the new session will start, but the classes will be online due to the corona pandemic. It is the cases are still rising. Oh, have you seen the newspaper reports? The cases are still rising in Jharkhand also.
Yes, sir, the second
Yes,
Many
sir.
wave
cases
is
coming
there.
up. Yeah.
Sir, some new
So I
mutant
think the
is
school
there.
management had decided that let's first observe what's the situation, because our priority is that yes, the study must not be compromised, which will not be in online mode. It can be efficient like in offline mode, it is true, but there will be chances of no getting hit with this corona pandemic. There will be like life threat. This is a health challenge, no, so we cannot compromise with health. So we won't compromise with health. We won't compromise with our studies. Your studies will continue, but in online mode till the school gives the further notice that yes, now offline class will start. Okay. So this is the thing I wanted to communicate. Regarding book list, the PDF of the new books that would be recommended in this session will be uploaded on website. So timely. So I think it will be 31st. Just after the announcement of result, your book list will be available to you. And in almost all the subjects, the major book which will be common will be NCRT. NCRT book is very common. So in SST, I think there will be no such issue. In SST, the NCRT books will only be there recommended for the next session. English and IT, I think the books might change. Let's see what happens.
Sir, in science also.
So in science also it might change.
And one is other book.
Yeah, so it will be informed, okay, timely. So I think on the result day or after it, the book list PDF will be uploaded on website, and you will get the information about the recommended books for the next session. The copy showing will be there today only after 5 p.m. You will be able to log in the online exam system, the same exam system you have used to take your test, online test, like a term test, annual exam. So same portal you will log in after 5 p.m. It will be informed. The link will be flashing on the website, scrolling on the website. So you will click on it. It will the online exam system portal will open. You will enter your login ID, password, and you will be able to access your the answer scripts, the answer you have submitted, and marks you got. So you will be able to see that. And after it, on 31st, it has been scheduled, it has been planned that the online results will be published. Why online? Because still we are having the situation of COVID-19. So we have to stick with the protocols. We have to adhere with the protocols. So online results will be published on 31st of March. So today is also, I think, the last time we are interacting through this online mode. We have got the opportunity through this Microsoft Teams app. After it, you will be there in your next class 8, and one festival is there, festival of Holi, which is approaching. On Monday there is a Holi, no? So happy
Yes,
Holi to
sir.
everyone.
Happy
Holi to
Holi.
everyone. And lastly, one thing I have pointed out that many students were writing the messages regarding the allocation of certificates. So only the marks has not been considered. Like suppose your marks are tying. So like many students have same marks in subjects. In that case, other parameters are also considered. Also, while choosing the students for the certificates, there are different types of parameters that are taken in consideration. Why? You can guess easily. Like we cannot just guess or just appreciate the student as a very good student when that person performs well in examinations. Like you take the exam, you perform better, you got the result, very good marks. So it is not like you are good student only. Maybe somebody has cheated. Like in online mode, what I have seen, the answers were copied from the internet sources directly. Even Wikipedia links were there in that. No, sometimes I have seen in the map work, they have just taken the snapshot from the WhatsApp chat and they have uploaded it. So what it shows? It shows that students have not taken an interest in learning, like being honest, the integrity. These principles were compromised. Why? To score good marks. Why? So that they can get recognition. What will happen after this recognition? Yes, the students will appreciate, your friends will appreciate, but you know the reality that you are not performed up to that mark. You are not capable enough. So what we can say that we have to be good in all the aspects. Just explore the potentialities you have. Just try to be outstanding, outperforming in every field, like maybe science, IT, mathematics, in whatever opportunities you are getting. Like suppose take the activities of English. There are many activities like the poem writing, etc. So Kavya Gosthi for Hindi, for the poem recitations, etc. are there. So what you people are doing, you are ignoring it. Why? Because you think that scoring in the exam, it is enough to just become enough, capable to be recognized as a brilliant student. No, you have to be developing your potentialities in every field. So whatever, this is my advice, suggestion, that whatever opportunities are coming to you, don't let them go. Just enjoy the opportunities. Give your 100%. Try to excel in every opportunity you are getting. So that's my I'm getting this. I'm going to give this advice to everyone. Now, yes, Ishant and Pratik, you have
Yes,
some
sir.
queries.
Sir, I also did full attendance, sir, in session
Hmm.
2019-20.
For attendance, their medal is there. Only medals are provided.
So,
So
sir, no
certificates are not
certificate.
provided. So you will get the medals will be provided later. Okay, the pandemic is still going on.
So,
The school
sir,
has not resumed offline mode, so it will be provided later. Okay, Pratik.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Isant.
sir, I'm asking that when school will reopen, then we will be getting our medals, for these subjects in which we have.
Yeah, obviously it is expected because this school is right now in online mode only. It has not opened in offline mode. So now I'm winding up this session with
Sir, I have
Purnamidam,
one more
but
query.
before it, I will repeat the same. I will repeat the same that please be sincere in your upcoming classes. This is whatever happened up to class 7, like if you have not done well, it can be ignored to a certain level. But the upcoming classes are very, very important for your life. Class 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12. These are the things these classes which will act as building blocks for like your whole life. Whatever you will learn in these years, no, these are going to be have a fundamental effects throughout your life. So don't ignore the studies in upcoming classes. Just be very, very sincere. Don't let any opportunity to just go away. Enjoy every opportunity. Just grab the opportunity. Give your 100% and leave the rest. If you are getting the recognition, if you are getting the outperforming results, you must be happy. Otherwise, just ignore it. Just be satisfied that you have given your 100%. Try to develop your skills. Try to develop yourself every day. Every day on day-to-day basis, just try to figure out when you are going to sleep. Yes, have I done enough today that can I grow myself? Have I grown myself today? Have I increased my potentialities for today? So just try to explore it before you sleep. Every day try to learn something new, something that will help you in future. So with these words, I will do Purnamidam and I will conclude this session. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Shishate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yeah, still the queries left, Pratik?
Yes, sir. Sir, for this session in online mode, I attended all the classes, not even a single class I have missed or did absent. So, sir, like any full attendance, medal certificate, etc., would be given, sir.
Yeah, when calculation will be done, obviously in online class, if you have attended the class, there are records available, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
when it will be finalized, there will be no such issues. It will be provided if the
Okay,
school
sir.
will decide. Okay. Thank you everyone for attending this session. Hari Om. All of you leave this session. All the best for your future.
Thank you, sir. Hari Om.
Hari Om.